Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. I am Anand. Today I come with new topic, that is Selenium part 5. In previous video you learned method of WebDriver interface. So in this video today we will learn what is locators, types of locators with example how it used. So let's begin. Locators in Selenium before performing any action such as a clicking, typing, selecting, we should find the element using locators. Locators are used to find the element in Selenium. Locators are the way to identify an HTML element on a web page. I show you. Here you can see that all the HTML document, and left side here you can see the element of web browser. So next is types of locators. First one is ID. ID are unique for each element, so it is commonly way to locate element using ID locators. And ID as a locator is one of the most common way of identifying element on a web page. I show you ID. Right click inspect. Here you can see the select search box. Right click. Here you can see the ID. ID name ID is Realbox. And how I can use ID, let's see in Eclipse. I created one class with the main method. Class name is locators. So first I create a static block. In static block we set the system.set property. In system.set property, if the key and value is WebDriver, start Chrome WebDriver. And the value is /driver / chrome.exe, chrome driver.exe. Right, put the semicolon. Now I opening the web browser, WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome, new Chrome driver. Now driver.get method, enter the URL. URL is yahoo.com. Copy the URL and paste it here. Now I am going to find the ID locator. So first one is driver dot find element by dot ID. Here now I am going to enter in search box movie. I enter a manually, but I am going to enter a automatic. How? Here you can see the ID. Just select and copy and by dot ID and paste it here. And using the send key, I enter a text. Send key is movie. Now let's see it is working or not. Run the command. And start open a Chrome browser and enter a URL and you can see the enter a movie in search box. So this is a ID value, how ID is working. And now close the browser. First one, I maximize the window. Driver.manage dot window dot maximize. And now you can see the maximize the window Chrome browser. Opening a Chrome browser, maximize window, enter it. Here you can see the enter a movie in a search box automatically. So you can see how ID locator works. You can see. And next one is name. We sometimes use a name locator to identify the elements on our web page. Locating elements using a name is same as locating elements using ID locators. An element can be defined via multiple attributes. One such is a name. Name locator is a Selenium WebDriver, can also be used to locate elements like ID locators. If multiple elements have the same value of the name attribute, then Selenium will just select the first value in the page which match the search criteria. How it works? I show you. Now I am going to enter another URL, that is driver.get. Enter a URL, copy the URL, and paste it here. Now I am going to enter a Gmail in search box. First inspect it. So you can see the highlighted HTML document. So in highlighted HTML document you can see the name locators. Now select and copy. So here driver dot find element by dot name. Here paste the Q, and also I am going to enter a Gmail by using a send key and Gmail. Now we'll see it is working or not. Run the command, starting Chrome browser, maximize the browser. Here you can see the enter Gmail in automatically. Now I think you understand how to work name. I am going to give one more example of by using a name locator. Open a browser. One application is called demo.actitime application. Click on it. Here you can see the username box and password box. Inspect it. Here you can see the HTML file of username box. Here you can see the name locator is available and also ID locator available. But I am using a username. But you remember, every time always give the first priority of the ID locators, second priority of the name locator. If ID is not present, then use a name locators. So first copy the link. Now paste it here. So first driver dot find element, copy the name locator, okay, and by dot name. Here paste the name, and now I am going to enter a admin in username box. So I use a send key. Here I type admin, and let me show you it is working or not. Run the command. Now here you can see that it is typing admin in a username box. Now I think you understand how I can use a name locator.